How do I know if I need AIS block off plates? If you are removing all your EPA crap from your bike in preparation for velocity stack install or some other possibly aftermarket intake, I don't really get into other brands' intakes, but if you are taking all the EPA stuff off in preparation for velocity stacks, and you may find two hoses going to reed valves on the top of each head cover, and they both point inwards, and there's a hose going from those into all sorts of other little bullshit. And if you have those and you take them off, there's a little reed valve underneath there, you need an AIS plate. Haha.